So guys, we're gonna take the reader now and plug it into the car. So if you look at it, you're gonna notice that it has a little keyed side on this end that's gonna connect into a little keyway on the actual connector. So if we look underneath our dashboard, there's all kinds of stuff up in there, but we're looking for this white connector right there. That's your ODB 2 port. We're gonna go ahead and make sure the keyway is on the same side as the keyway is right here. So we're gonna line those up and you're just gonna press it in. And it may not click. Once you press it in, it should be good. It may seem a little loose, but it's good to go. Now we're going to start our car, and then I'll meet you back on my phone screen and show you how to do all that. So guys, I have plugged in the ODB2 reader into the port, and now we're inside my car. The first thing you're going to want to do is connect to the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth that your ODB reader is sending out. So it's going to send out either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. My current model does Wi-Fi, so I'm going to swipe down, go to Wi-Fi, and then I'm going to make sure that I'm connected. And it says internet may not be available. That is completely fine. You're not going to get internet through it. So once you're connected to that Wi-Fi, just go ahead and press it if you're not connected right now. Press it. It may take a minute. Your phone, if it's a newer phone, it may ask you if you actually want to stay connected. You're going to want to say yes to that. So then we're going to go back to our home screen. And you can just download any car scanner app, but I'll leave a link below to the one on Android that you can download, and then I'll try and find one on Apple that you can download as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on that car scanner, and this is what's going to show up. You're going to have to go through a setup process, and then make sure you hit connect down at the bottom. It'll have like a connect button, and it'll ask you a little bit about your car, put in the right information, and then hit connect. So right now I'm connected. So if we go to dashboard, it'll show us like our engine RPMs, our coolant temperature. But the main thing that we're doing in this, there's all kinds of stuff this can do. The main thing we're going to do is the diagnostic trouble codes. So we're going to go ahead and press on that, read this through, and say that you read it. So there's a couple different things you can do. You can do all commands or pure DBI. You can do all kinds of different stuff. So if you want to read or clear commands, make sure that it says this mode allows you to read or clear all commands. So this is the default one. I'm just going to leave it on 1 and go into it. So it's going to take a little bit of time, and it's going to read the codes that your car is putting out. So this is for your check engine light or any other codes you might have. So I have one code already, and I've already checked it right before I did this video, but I have one code. Honda Civics like to, they have an error that pops up from a faulty like clutch connection. There's like a little button that gets pressed when you press on the clutch. So this is kind of saying that my clutch is being barely pressed in at all times, and it'll say on my Honda Civic, it'll say that there's issue with the starter system, that I need to get that checked out. So I actually don't need to get checked out. And if you want to read this thing, if I try and tap it right now, I have no internet because I'm connected to the ODB reader. So we're going to switch internet real quick. So now I've switched internet and I'm back into this page. We're no longer connected to the ODB reader. Now I can open this up. It'll search Google for it, and these are actually really, really helpful. So once you have the code, you can search Google for it. And it says exactly what the problem is. It says, the symptom of mine is the check system message is displayed, and the issue is that the starter inhibitor relay is stuck on. So the clutch is partially pressed, causing misdetection of the P16F7. So this just tells me that I can take it in. This is actually just an issue with the car. It's not a big deal. I can take it in and get it fixed from a dealership if I'm still under warranty. So this could save you a lot of money. You might go to a place and they might tell you that it's something else, and this way you know exactly what that code means on your phone, and you won't get lied to by a dealership or a shop trying to fix your car and make you spend a whole bunch of money. So guys, this is how you use an ODB2 reader for your car. It's incredibly helpful to use. It was all free except for the reader. The app is completely free. There'll be links to the readers down below. So guys, the other thing I'm going to show you is inside Diagnostic Trouble Codes. If you wanted to clear the codes on your car, say you changed your oil, or for some reason you just get a stuck code and there's no actual issue with the car, be careful doing this. But if you want to clear the codes on your car, instead of saying read right here, you would click clear, and then you would go in and you would clear all the codes. So it gives you a warning. This may not work on all cars. Don't try and please follow these directions, guys. Please try to clear DTC codes when ignition on but engine is off. You guys, this is specifically if you know for a fact and it's been checked out that there's not an actual problem anymore and you want to clear a stuck code. So this is how you do it, and then you just hit OK, and then it would clear the codes on the car. It'll say DGC clearing complete, and that is how we clear codes from a car. First, you're going to want to read it, find out what the issue is, hit read, go into it and read, and then find out what the issues are, get them fixed, and then to clear them, you need, like after you've fixed them, make sure you clear them. All right, good job, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Thank you guys again. I hope this helped you with your car. If it did, leave a comment below if you have any questions. You guys are amazing. Have a great day.